This is Esther checking in. On the TV box. I think they call it a computer. I never used contraptions. But yeah. I just learned how to use this camera phone. Don't ask me how. Esther.
Honey, what the hell are you doing in here? What is this? Oh, get out the way. What is this thing? The bag? Where's that device, honey? I've never seen it a day in my life. Oh my goodness, where is it? What is that thing?
Agnes, it's called a computer.
No.
I mean, it's a computer, but it's called a camera phone.
Honey, I've never seen a thing in my life like that before. That's something made by the devil. That's got to be something made by the devil. That ain't nothing Jesus that make that. I tell you that, honey. You know one thing? Pause it. Hold on, I'll be right back with some knowledge bullshit for you guys. Y'all young teenagers using these devices made by the devil. That's why you're sinners. Oh no. Sherry,
Oh my goodness.
y'all just gonna make it a business. Listen, no, Agnes. What's your name again?
It's Esther.
Oh my goodness, forget my own sister's name. I tell you, I forgive my ass if it wasn't attached to my backbone. Check me out. Yeah, I forget it if it wasn't attached. My lady love. My lovely lady love. Anyways.
Oh, Esther. I mean, what's your name? Oh, that's my name. Agnes. Shut the hell up, Agnes.
Let me show them to your body. Anyways, I'm a butch dyke, but I'm about, how old am I?
You 73. Yeah.
73 and a half. You can't forget the half. And this is my young sister. Your old man, she's bad as a mother. Oh, shut your mouth, Agnes. Anyways, she's about,
69.
69. You know what that means. She's a freak.
Look, I learned it. Look at this red wreath I got in my head. My breath is still up from Botox, and my ass is still good from Botox.
Show your butt. Come on. Don't be afraid. No. Oh, my goodness, honey, you're a freak. Show them with your pants up. You're so nasty. Mama told you about that. She told you when she gone, you'll be showing your ass.
Hold up. All the single ladies, you put your hands up.
Up in the club.
Just broke up.
You're doing your